Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 3 in the Full of Charm June 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I've got my card base, I've got my die cut, I've got my greeting, which is going to go on point like that, and I've got my Let's Celebrate You, and I've got my leaf stamp. So let's go ahead and do some stamping. And I'm just going to pop this in here so it's easier for you to see. And I'm going to take our Stampin' spot. I store mine upside down, so I write the color on the base. So that's why this one says Pretty Peacock. And we're going to do the Let's Celebrate You right there like that. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to take our card base and we're going to take those leaves and we need one, make sure your card base is the right way up. We're going to put one here like this. Okay. And then we're going to do another one the other way up at the bottom like that. Okay, so that's our stamping done. Now I need to put dimensionals on the back of the greeting. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we need tear and tape on the back of the die cut here. So we're going to just tear a piece off like this, pop it down like that, and then tear another small piece off like that. And this is going to go right here like that. And we're going to put, oh, and I need one of the little flowers too. Okay. So little flower, and we need a dimensional in the back of that little flower as well. So there's all our pieces. And we're going to put this down first. Oh, and I need more. I need more pieces. Okay. So I'm just debating now. That piece goes on top of this one, I think. Or not. Does it go below or above or what? It goes on top of it. Okay. So just realized I seem to have an extra piece, so I've obviously missed something in the instructions on one of the cards. So we'll go back and we'll sort that out. This is going to go on like this. And then we need this one here, like this. I'll untangle those ones later. And we need to put adhesive dots here and here. This is where your piercing tool could come in really handy too, or a set of tweezers. There we go. Okay, and then one down here on this leaf, and one on this leaf here. Okay, so then this, I'll peel all our backings off. Like this. And then this goes like this. And then we take our greeting and we add this right in line with these gold lines like that. So let's celebrate you. And then we put the little flower just underneath it. And that is project number 3, except for our little sequins. And we're going to put one large one up here. and one small one a little further up like that, and then a small one down here like this. So there is project number 3 in the Full of Charm June 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for that first alternate card.